Right folks, we've been working on the bike for a few days now, still at Pete's place, yeah, wow, come and see the work that he's done. Well, Pete, how are you getting on there, bud?
Oh, not bad, mate. It's, you know, shouldn't be much longer now.
Yeah? Wow,
I'll love you back on the road at night time, mate.
it's a bit of a unique style you got going there, precision instruments.
Oh, yeah, well, you know, it's, you know, I'm like sort of, you know,
Do I not need that?
Oh, let's see, it's broken, so I don't think maybe it should be alright, mate.
Is that not my clutch?
This?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I don't think so. I think you'd be alright.
Yeah?
Well, I can't find where to put it. But well, when I put the bike back together, I'll if there's a space, I'll try and put it in there. Yeah. But,
if there's a space.
Hang on.
Oh, whoa. Yeah. Maybe we just take it down a Suzuki dealership or something, eh?
No, mate, you're alright. I just
Wow, man, you.
Oh, I think I found the problem. This was a bit loose.
Yeah. You sure we don't need that?
Yeah, maybe, but maybe later, eh?
Maybe later.
Yeah, sure.